So, in this video, we are going to look some arithmetic calculations in more depth, as well as we will look into many inbuilt functions. These are some calculations showing that matrix follows Bodmer's rule. Many of beginners make mistake in putting brackets, so always remember to close a bracket when used. These are some general calculations done in Matlab. Each of the answers are different due to brackets, so brackets are very important. So check all the calculations, and try to practice by yourself to get adjusted to Matlab. You can represent long numerical answers in the power of 10 or exponent. So here are a few examples. Pi is built-in function, and it is denoted in small case. But if you write in uppercase or first letter in caps, then there's a chance of errors. For checking the version of Matlab that is installed in the PC, write ver to get the details. Symbolic function is a special tool which allows us to write any floating or decimal or fractions to write in simple fractions. So here are a few examples. Possibly try by yourself to get adjusted to it. Apart from sim or sims, we will see pretty function which can make fractions look attractive. The opposite of sim function is double. It is used to convert into decimal number. Try to follow the examples to get better understanding. When getting confused about the function spelling or its use, there's always FX at the left of command window. Clicking on that and checking or searching the required functions will help us to work quickly. There's always a writing format for variables. We cannot write numbers to store number or numbers in front of word to store numbers. So we should write numbers after the word to store the number. These doesn't show error. But generally we give underscore to separate the word and number to easier interpretation. If there's a change in the variable, either it might show error or the calculation might get wrong. So always be careful with variables. The variables that is used to store that value should only be used. So if you forget about some variables that was used in the past, no worries. Checking the workspace will clear the doubts. If by mistake our workspace or command window or command history gets misplaced, don't get scared. It might get undocked and maximized. So checking the values in more details gets easier. Also, you check the values in matrix format, showing in sheet format. Don't get scared and delete the workspace since it came undocked. And if you have deleted, go into Home Editor. There is Layout. Clicking on it, then untick and tick back to get the workspace again. But still, if we want to dock the workspace back to its original location, then there is a way. Don't have to look for Home Editor again. There's a close icon in the workspace. Below that icon, there is another icon. Click on it, and then clicking on the dock will get the workspace to its original location.